Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you this logic problem with the Fujitec Zexia lift. So yeah, let me show you this logic problem thing. Let's wait for the lift to come. Nah, I'm not taking this lift. I'll send it back down to 1. I want to take this one. Okay, let me call the lift. So if you don't know what problem I'm having with this, when I go down to the first floor, it refused to open it. It only opens a little bit and it starts opening and closing a little bit like this. So I'm suffering with a problem like this. So let me Wait, let me show you the logic problem on the Fujitec Zexia lift. When I tried squeezing myself outside while it was still closing, right, it made a loud slam. See, then it starts doing this. This thing had a there's so many major problems with this lift over here, as you can see. Wait, let me just try squeezing myself outside. Yeah, this is the kind of problem I'm suffering with. Yeah. What is going on? So yeah. Wait guys, give me 1 sec. This lift just caught up to 9 for some reason. So yeah, I'm suffering with this problem thing. I mean, the last time I did, it made a loud slam. So yeah. This is the first time seeing this kind of glitch on the Fujitec Zexia lift. Yeah. What's going on? What the hell? Yeah. See, this is the kind of problem I'm starting to suffer with. Yeah, it refused to open. Yeah, wait, let me try escaping. Yeah, this is the loud slam. This is the kind of glitch I saw on the Fujitec Zexia lift, which needs a little bit of fixing. So yeah, that's it guys. Bye.